Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're making some pesto. Stick around. Okay, this is going to be simple. We got our spinach. We got some garlic. Did you see the spinach? I got a little Italian herb I'm going to toss in there as well, just to brighten it up a little bit. We got some Parmesan. And I'm going to toss in a little bit of lemon juice. And we got some walnuts. Typically, you would use pine nuts, but you can use pretty much any kind of nut you want. Depending on your flavor, what you're looking for. Authentic, well, you use basil instead of the spinach. And pine nuts, olive oil, which I didn't bring out and show. But yes, you're gonna need some olive oil and some grated Parmesan, some of the good stuff. The whole cloves and some fresh lemon. You can put some lemon zest in there as well. Pine nuts, extremely expensive. Not going down that route. A little bit for a lot. So I'm going with the walnuts. When I first learned to make it, that's what we was using, because like I said, pine nuts is ridiculously expensive, especially these days. So with that said, let's get this game started. We're gonna start out with our garlic, and I like garlic, so I'm gonna go a little crazy with mine. You know, typically about, depending on how much you're making, about 3 cloves will do it. But I'm gonna put that much. Why? Because it's mine. All right, slap the lid on this bad boy. Lock her down. Give her a little post. Just to get the party started. I'm gonna go in with my herb, Italian herb flavoring. And I guess I should have opened this before I started videoing. Would have been simpler, faster. But I'm just gonna put a dab in there, just to say I did put a little bit of basil into it. Then we're gonna go in with our spinach. Put that to the side. Good. Got a little bit more left in the bag. Everybody in the pool. We're gonna need a little liquid there. Matter of fact, since we got this, gotta crack it open. Let's put our walnuts in there. And our cheese that I didn't open. Amongst everything else. And with the cheese, just like the garlic, however you think you like it, this is the way you go with it. And I didn't mention salt. but we're gonna add a little bit of that too. That little bit of lemon. Don't need a whole lot of salt because your Parmesan has got salt to it. And I'm gonna hit it with a little black pepper as well. How about that? Huh? Olive oil. And I may need a little bit more of this. And those old walnuts. Alright. Now, see how you like that. We got that going. Don't want you to suffer with all the noise, so I'll bring you right back. It's looking good, but you're just gonna push down the sides a little bit. And since we got it open, I mean, everything is not completely combined there, but let's give her a taste. Okay. For my taste, could use a little more salt. And just because I can, this is totally optional. Do like you please. I'm gonna hit it with a little MSG because I like it. And a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese. Because I want to. Dash of lemon. Play with it. Make it your own. And you'll have the pesto of your choice. Alright, that's done. We're gonna go to working on the lasagna that I made this for. If you like this one and you want to use mine, I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And come back and see me again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. And we'll see you on the next one.